everyone. Hope you are doing well. So, I am back with another trick. Let's get started. If you guys want to capitalize first letter of each word, how to do this in a very easy manner with proper function like this. Write down is equals to then PROP and then you guys see proper. Then press tab on your keyboard, then select this and then bracket off. Now guys, you guys see the first letter have been changed successfully into capital, like W in small is there and in here capital. I is capital here, A is capital here, F capital here, content capital here. So this is a very easy trick you guys can do within a seconds. Now you guys see after drop down, you guys see all the results have been successfully updated by converting to capitalize first letter of each word. Thank you very much.